the blade, remove the battery.
Yes.
If it is corded, unplug and make sure it's unplugged. Why? This is for your safety. Yes, it won't run, but better to do it like this, okay? Now, how to insert?
Yeah.
How to insert? There is here a, excuse me, one. There is here a head. This head have to
Push
rotate.
the other side.
Rotate. So this rotation is anti-clockwise. Once you are rotating like this to the end, you can insert it. And after inserting it,
It's locked.
it's locked.
ये तो
Okay?
मालूम हो गया ना, इसमें दो तरीका ये रोटेशन होता है, ऐसे
Better
रोटेशन करेगा
to catch
फिर
the blade
ब्लेड
from this
दबाना
side.
का ब्लेड, ठीक है?
Exactly. Better to catch the blade from this side. Don't to put your hand both of sides like this. It should to be in this side because it's dead side. This side is live. For any reason, it will catch your finger before it start. So better to catch it from this side. And the live side should be outside. Okay?
तो पकड़ने का भी तरीका होता है, ऐसा पकड़ने का, ऐसा नहीं पकड़ के डालने का, तो ऐसा पकड़ के इसमें दबाना का.
Right. One important thing, also before using this, make sure that this is in the right condition, which means that it's not worn. Because if it's worn, what's the reason of using it? Okay? Okay, that's fine, good condition, then I can use it. Fine. So it looks not really warm, and this metal, it works with metal. Okay? Now, how can I insert? I have to look into the orientation. Can I put it this direction? No, of course, this direction. Look, there is a not like this. There is a direction. So look into the orientation. Okay.
ये इसका डायरेक्शन आपको मालूम है, ऐसा ऐसा पकड़ के करने का, ठीक है?
From this side.
Yeah.
Ah.
ऐसा दबाने का.
He told that you have to
Yeah,
rotate
yeah.
this. Rotate this first.
ये रोटेट करके इसका दबाने का.
And click.
Yeah.
Now,
Shake it.
Shake it. It's
No
not-
move?
No,
Okay.
it's not.
Look, it's okay.
Type. What is the function of this part? This part should be fully in contact.
ये तो मेटल है.
It should be in contact with the wood surface. Yes, this is flat. It looks good for cutting the flat surfaces. This is not flat,
It's round.
but it is rounded. But at least make sure it is at least in contact here.
Have to
Okay?
touch
इसके
still
बारे
this.
में मालूम होगा ये तो अब लोग अभी कटिंग करेगा, इसमें दबाएगा, इसमें टच होता है, तो कटिंग करने का बहुत थोड़ा आसानी होता है. वो तो बराबर नहीं है, गोल का जैसा है.
And it's adjustable as you can see.
Have angle also.
Yes. So it's swivel. Fine. And now, before cutting the metal should be attached firmly and stable. It should be stable. You understand? So at least someone, the case is our
هي كانت على
cable.
على البقرة. بيقطعوا من على البقرة. البقرة بيقطعوا منها قطع.
But the important thing is to make sure that this is stable. Yes. Okay? And attached firmly from both sides. Attached firmly from both sides. Okay? Attach.
ये होल्ड कीजिए.
Yes. We hold.
Translate बन. Translate.
तो ये दो साइड में आदमी लोगों को पकड़ के रखने का, क्योंकि ये बराबर नहीं है ना जगह, इसलिए वो पकड़ के रखने का.
And keep a big distance. And don't be close. Okay? Now, when you are using this tool, you can use it with one hand. I
No.
know. Always two hands. Not one hand. Always two hands. Okay?
तो वैसे
be like
दो
this.
हैंड से पकड़ के ये करने का.
Okay, and we'll start
Once.
how.
هتشغل
البس. Like, of course, when you are working, we have to use the PPE.
Full
All the
PPE.
All the PPE, including this. Why this is important? The Google. Why? Maybe there is a little bit of.
Any subject fly
Yes.
to your eye. Maybe it will happen. Any small plastic for the cover plastic or metal
Can
fly
happen.
to your eye. So you have to wear your goggles.
So there's some battery.
तो हमेशा आप लोगों को कटिंग करने का पूरा सेफ्टी में करना है. हैंड ग्लोव्स ये सच में भी लगाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसमें तो जो मेटल है इसमें लगेगा, आगे में आके लगेगा. अगर ये नहीं पहनेगा तो सीधा गिर लगेगा. ये फुल सेफ्टी से करने का.
This tool is called the WSR 22. 22. This battery is 22 volt. 22 volt. And here it's written AVR. So what is this AVR? AVR is active vibration reduction. Okay, so there is a safety device inside to reduce the vibration. This is an EVR type. Okay, vibration reduction.
ये दो उधर AVR इसका नंबर लिखा है एक्टिव वाइब्रेशन
Active vibration reduction.
ये 22
Active
वोल्ट का ही है
vibration reduction.
So this vibration reduction, it is reducing the vibration by having a device inside trying to isolate.
Control.
It's not fully isolated, but it's isolating the body from the mechanism itself. Okay? Right. So let's insert this battery. Okay, it's
And
charged.
you have to be careful for the bleed.
Exactly. Okay, so attach it. Okay, and where is the okay, the goggle, and use it. Okay, so when you use it, use your two hands, attach, okay? Test it first, test it. What's the difference between this? This will not work. See the difference. It's both the same. There's no direction. Okay? As you can see, when you are triggering here, in the beginning, it will be slow. Okay? Slower, more speed, and high speed. Okay? So in the beginning, make sure that you are doing the groove, so this will be stable. You understand? And then you can continue. Fine? How long usually this is taking? Okay. Right. So we'll do it like this. Okay. So we start. It's
होल्ड इट
okay.
both
I'll try myself.
Yeah.
Okay. You start doing it this side.
Don't worry.
So once ready to do, could be the blade not really close. It cut, but the blade. Okay. Now who will continue?
I will come.
Okay. The blade is. Okay, पकड़ लो. Always this in one touch.
Don't push more. Don't push more.
Because you can't. You need to push.
This is what happened.
Very nice cut. Very nice. Very good cut. Okay? Now show me another cut, small one cut, okay? And the important is in the beginning. In the beginning, try to have the groove first, okay? And
आराम
once
से
you have the groove,
पहले
start
आराम से
slowly,
कट करना है, फिर-
start slowly.
फिर-
And keep a good distance. Keep a good distance. Okay? Keep a good distance. Okay?
ये दबा
Two
कर
hand,
नहीं ये दबा कर
two hand, and always this is in contact.
Yeah.
Fine?
تمام